seeing the client's vision, architectural ideas, and being able to bring that to life, that's something a BIM engineer would be proud of. Okay, so
As a mechanical engineer, my internship at Parsons has reinforced my career goals.
You get to work on so many different projects that have an impact nationally and globally.
going everywhere, you always see Parsons billboards, on projects and everything.
I picked Parsons because they have such a strong presence in the UAE.
It made me connect what I learned, theory, into practical work.
You get to work with so many different teams.
Collaborating with people from different backgrounds and different departments.
By showing me that I'm on the right path, and it also motivated me to continue growing in this field.
3 words I would describe Parsons' internship experience are mentorship, as well as hands-on experience on actual projects, and then the teamwork here is just lovely.
I would say knowing that the projects that I work on help UAE's growth for the current generation as well as the future generations. It helps me be motivated that I'm a UAE National Civil Engineer.
At Parsons, we're inspired by the energy and creativity of the next generation, working together to deliver a smarter, more innovative future.